Mount Merapi, Indonesia. The volume of Mount Merapi's lava dome continues to increase. Based on the latest data, the total volume of the lava dome is more than 4 million cubic meters. Head of the Yogyakarta Geological Disaster Technology Research and Development Center, BPPTKG, Hanik Humeda, explained that the results of monitoring for the period 4th to 10th March 2022 showed that there were morphological changes in the southwest lava dome in the form of avalanches. However, no change in height was observed. Hanik said that 101 lava flows were observed to the southwest, dominant to the Bebing River with a maximum sliding distance of 2,000 meters. Then, 17 lava avalanches to the southeast, upstream of the Jendal River, with a maximum sliding distance of 1,500 meters. The results of observations on March 11, 2022, observed incandescent lava avalanches 15 times the maximum sliding distance of 1,800 meters to the southwest. Then, there were 4 lava avalanches with a maximum sliding distance of 1,000 meters to the southeast.